Watson!
My name is Olivia.
And I am Nicole.
So today we're gonna do something really exciting. We have two glasses in front of us.
So in my glass, I have an area of a face that we gotta do makeup on. For example, our eyes or our eyebrows. What about you?
In my glass, I have all the challenges. I don't know what we're gonna get. I don't know what's in there. We might get to do our makeup blindfolded.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Exactly.
If you guys are interested to see what kind of makeup challenges we have, make sure you keep on watching. But first, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel of Watson's. Click it.
Let's go! Let's see what we get first. Eyes first! Shuffle it real good. Oh my god!
We only can do our eyeshadow with hands, even our eyeliner. I'm actually gonna prime my eyes with a Revlon Photo Ready concealer in the shade 005. It feels so weird because I normally do my brows before my eyes. I'm thinking of doing something purple maybe to match my hair. You know what? I'm gonna try, like, I love this shade in Physicians Formula. This is so nice. So I'm gonna build my look around this color.
Technically, I would like to use a loose powder to set my concealer. So I will only use my hands. Get into this powder.
I just used a sponge to blend it out.
She's cheating already.
Okay. You know what? You get to use a brush for this one.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I got a pass.
Oh my god, this color is actually really nice.
Now I get to use a brush. A brush never felt so good.
I'm jealous right now. I'm taking a dark purple color from this Wet n Wild palette, but I don't know how it's gonna blend out.
So now I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadow, and I'm using the palette from Maybelline, also called the City Mini Palette.
I actually really like the purple shadow, but it's the blending, man.
It's the blending.
It's not working. I don't think we can do eyeliner.
Wow. I didn't think about that. Oh my god, you can just draw an eyeliner shape and like stamp it on.
Done! I'm so there. Okay, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna draw a wing on my finger, and I'm just gonna see whether I can.
You know,
stamp
you see
it
the
on.
stamps they have nowadays. It's kind of the same thing.
Okay, I've got my wing.
Did it work? Did it work? Oh my god, it worked! I'm proud of you.
It worked!
It worked.
There is a wing! Oh my gosh! The Wardah eyeliner is actually so cool. It's so awesome. And I can't believe this is working.
I'm gonna use this gel pencil from Kate. And it's really creamy, so it's easy to stamp on, hopefully. Let's see. Here we go! That did not transfer at all. It stayed on there. So if you want a smudge proof liner, this is the one to go. What did you use? This one?
Yes.
Kinda works.
Yeah, it kind of works.
What about your lashes? Are you gonna do anything about your lashes?
Yeah, actually.
I feel like the lashes will save the day.
I know.
See, I look cute already. By the end of this look, I want to look cute. And I think I'm getting there.
Okay!
Okay! Wow! Okay, now that we're done with the eyes, we're gonna move on to pick the second challenge.
Alright.
The big reveal.
1, 2, 3. It's lips.
No mirror!
Okay, that's not
too bad. That's not too
So we
bad.
have to do lips
But
but
now
no
using a mirror.
I'm gonna use the Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lip to try and match back my lipstick.
I'm gonna go with a dark lip color. This is the one by Maybelline. It's a Super Stay Matte Ink in Amazonian. I've never done this.
I feel like I don't know where to look.
Let's just hope I look cute. I've never done this before in my life.
I'm like so aware
I'm
about
done.
what kind of face I like putting on. The color is nice. Oh
Really?
my god,
But
you,
did the shape look good?
dude, your bottom lip is like
Perfect.
yeah, your top lip is overdrawn.
She's not too bad.
Really?
Yeah, you didn't go over the line.
Yes! Okay.
Okay, we aced this one.
Alright, let's swap it again. I'll pick from me,
Okay.
pick from me. I know we
Okay.
gotta do this.
Okay, let's do it. Wait. Okay. Second last one.
Alright, what do you get?
I got face.
Okay. And I got
For each other at the same time. That's not too bad at the same time, you know?
So for Olivia, I'm choosing the Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Natural Ivory.
And for Nicole, I am using this Silky Girl Gen Matte Cushion Foundation in the color Natural.
Oh my god. You can't smile because I can't get it to your nose.
Okay. So get like stay with a straight face and just
Whoa.
dab it. This foundation is so easy to blend, guys.
Well, I think I'm done. Just your
Do
neck.
this.
Don't forget the neck.
And like Nicole said, don't forget the neck.
So for blusher, I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Color Icon in Mellow Wine.
Using again, wait, did I use this just now?
Yeah.
Oh yes, I did. I used this to prime my eyes. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Wow, your eye is like popping now.
Yeah.
With the concealer.
I'm gonna contour her face with the cake contour powder.
Using the same powder that I used previously.
Oh my god, you're so sweet. You set my face.
Yeah, did you not?
No.
See? I might actually bake your face if you were nice, but I changed my mind.
I'll be nice to you and contour your nose.
Make it look snatched. So for blush, I'm gonna use this on Nicole. It's by C Code called Hush Hush Blush in orange, I believe. Oh, it looks really good with your makeup.
Does it?
So nice.
I'm gonna give you some highlight. I'm gonna give you a shimmery
Okay,
highlighter.
let's make the highlight gods cry. I'm using this highlighter from Suzanne. I know you like your pop on the nose.
I do. Yes!
Okay.
Okay, let's see how this looks.
Oh!
I look very 80s glam pop.
And I look like a hot mess.
We are down to our last challenge.
It fell.
Alright.
Right here, got it.
Alright, I got it right. It's brows. Oh my god,
Are you
Let
ready?
me do my brows.
Are you ready for the
I'm
big
ready,
reveal?
I'm ready.
Non-dominant hand!
I'm gonna take the Silky Gold Perfect Brow in dark brown and I'm gonna use my left hand to do this.
For my brows, I'm using this from Kate. It's the Lasting Eyebrow W. I'm doing this for the first time. I don't even know how to hold it.
That's some technique right there.
Exactly, I'm like a pro.
No, I'm just gonna... Ugh.
Okay, I think not bad.
That's not too bad.
I think I'm doing pretty okay.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! I am amazing at this.
The other one's the challenge. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I just gotta like...
Blend it out.
You know what? I know. I'm gonna conceal it. I'm so close. I'm so close. I just need to like...
Wait, I need to fix my...
I think I don't want to touch it anymore. I'm scared. Okay. Are we done?
We're done.
I guess we are.
Well,
Okay.
this is the finished look.
Alright, let's cut to the beauty shots. 1, 2, 3.
So this is the completed look on this challenge. What do you think?
Who did it better? Why don't you guys comment down below, because clearly it's me. Okay, I did it better.
That's because I did her foundation. Just saying. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment down below.
Yeah, comment something that you guys would like us to do maybe in the next video, another makeup challenge that you want to see, and I guess we will see you next time.
Bye!
Wait, can we
Okay.
wash our heads? Will
We
you
should clean
allow?
our hands,
Please, Watsons,
yes.
let us wash our... Are you let? Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.